To set up Apple Pay with Navy Federal, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. Next, you need to have a Navy Federal debit or credit card that is eligible for Apple Pay. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the setup process. Then select Continue and choose the type of card you want to add. Either credit or debit. Use your device's camera to capture your card information or manually enter it. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. After adding your card, Navy Federal will verify the information to ensure it matches their records. You may be prompted to provide additional verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, your card is ready to use with Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay to make purchases in stores, online, and in apps. To make a purchase, simply hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or use Face ID. For authentication, you will receive a confirmation of the payment on your device. For added security, you can also use a passcode or password to lock your device. It's also important to keep your device's operating system and apps up to date to ensure the latest security features are in place. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay with Navy Federal and start enjoying the convenience and security of contactless payments.